For our CS125 final project, we made a FlappyBird game using a software library called libgdx. The reason why we use libgdx is because it makes it easier for us to import images and animations into the game. We split the work into 3 parts. First, we had someone plan everything out. Then the person after had to create the images based on what the person had planned out. And we had the third person do the coding stuff. Some interesting technical issues we faced were when we were using the software library. Sometimes when we pressed generate, it would give us a Gradle failure, which we didn't know how to fix it, but eventually it stopped having the issue, so we just let it go. Other than that, we would have some issues importing images. libgdx makes it easier for us to import images, but we still have to know the bare minimum of the image. But since the person who did the graphics and the person who did the coding were 2 different people, it wasn't perfectly synced together. Other than that, this is a video of us playing the game. So there's a bunny jumping around. We made a image that was 3 times the width of the original image. So the bunny, so we made a for loop where it scans the image from left to right into 3 parts. And as you can see, it has 3 actions, where it has the one where it's just standing, the one where it has his arms out but is squeezed, and one where it's jumping up. And the reason why the bunny isn't perfectly sensitive with the sticks, I would say, is because the image we imported was too big, so we weren't able to play the game. So if we go back to the code and then we see hitbox, you can see that over here we had to shrink the hitbox size because we weren't able to play at all. And also, if we go to the bunny class, you can also see over here animation texture, which is basically the image of the animation. We divide that by 3, and then we would subtract 40 because the rectangle that we made were too big. And that's about it.